Hi, my name is Fern from Southern California, and I wanted to give you a quick review on Saad Ali's course, Forex for Beginners Academy. I started looking into Forex trading the beginning of this year and watched YouTube videos, and I actually did buy a course, but I still didn't feel confident in the trading. So I stumbled upon Saad Ali's course. Somebody recommended it in one of the Facebook groups, so I said, it's free, so I might as well check it out. And I was blown away. It really put the other course that I took to shame, the paid course that I took to shame. Not only does he teach you the basics from point A to Z, but he teaches you exactly what to do with it. He teaches us all his secrets. He helped set up our broker account, our MT4 account. He taught us that trading is not gambling, but it is truly a skill if you implement all your chart analysis strategies that he has taught you. It's really eye-opening. He has given me confidence in going forward with trading. He has taught us support and resistance. He was Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, candlesticks analysis, risk management, which is huge, trend lines, channels, and how to actually use TradingView with all that he has taught us. And he makes sure that we know and understand what he's taught before moving on to the next. He has this awesome a private student group where all the students of the academy will post their charts and markups, and he actually himself will critique it and give us tips, as well as other students. So I think it's an awesome academy, awesome training, and it's free. You can't beat that. And I like how everything's all in one place. YouTube, you can find things on YouTube, but they're all over the place. He puts it methodically in order, what you should do. And I just feel confident going forward now towards my 50 trade challenge. And I hope you guys give it take a look at it and give it a chance. Thanks. Bye.